Hi, it's Amanda here. So I have a project that I'm going to be sharing with you, and it's just it's a quick thing. Right, so find yourself an old catalogue. This one, Tesco's. It's just, one of their home catalogues, and we're going to make this into a journal. So the first thing you need to do is rip out practically half of the pages, because we're going to be adding collage in here, adding texture, so you're going to be adding stuff to it. So you need to take at least half out, so that when you kind of end up with this art journal, it's a nice size. So go through every 2-3 pages and rip out a couple of pages, but everything's going to be used, nothing's going to be wasted, so you are going to be able to utilize them. And so that's what I've done. I went through and ripped out some of the pages, and then I went through the journal again and stuck together sets of 2 pages, sets of 3 pages, depending on where I had ripped them out. So after I had allowed it to dry, I just allowed it to dry flat, and I decided for some of the pages, like this first page, what I needed to do is just to reinforce the spine, and I've just put some masking tape on this inside page. And did I do it to the back as well? Yeah, I did it to the back as well. And then I went through the sets of pages just so that it's easy to know that this is a set of, a page, because what sometimes happens is the glue doesn't always go to the end, and then, you're turning the page thinking that it's one page when it's actually a stuck down page, and you rip it. So just to then avoid anything like that, I've put masking tape on the sides, and I think it makes the outside of the book look quite nice. It's not necessarily going to stay like this, because, as I say, there's going to be collage added and lots more. So I wanted to get you excited about that, because I'm very excited. Then with the pages left over, I want you to look through it and take out, cut out images or words that speak to you, and that's going to also form part of your adding or creating a collage. So just go through it. I saw a word, it said gorgeous, gorgeous, create, and so elegant, and so I'm going to be utilizing some of those words in some of the pages. And so all you're doing then is stocking up on some of the images that you feel nice, because you might not look nice, you might not necessarily have art supplies or whatever. So this is a great way to be able to still do a journal page and still create something without, with the most basic of tools. All you need for here is, a catalogue, which you can go and pick up from quite a lot of the, stores, and glue. And so go through it, like I'm going through this, and I'm seeing some shapes, some patterns, some colours that I might like, dreams, just some colours, some shapes here that I might cut out and utilize as well, and just kind of blocks of color that I might say use on a collage page. So that's really all I want you to do for now. That will take you a bit of time and then what I'll probably do in another video, I will do it in another video, come back and look at how we start our first page, whether it will be a collage that we use, or if we gather a few supplies, we'll bring everything together and create our first page. But the kind of things that we're going to be doing in here is, as I say, we're going to be creating faces, we're going to be creating scenes, we're going to be creating pages that speak to us with colour, with words, and it's going to be a space that you're going to fill up over time, that you're going to be able to write down your thoughts, get some aha moments, and really enjoy the creative process. And really what it is about play. So this is going to be a place where you can play. Now there may be pages that you come across that you want to use an image, so all you do is just, if you're going to gesso around it, or create a scene. I've done that in some of my other journal, my John Lewis journal, and I create scenes on pages and I utilize it like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to sharing more, and I hope, if you haven't yet done so already, that you subscribe and hit the notification bell for next video on our recycled art journal project. Okay, so take care for now, and I will see you soon.